Hi, it's Andrew Brodsky with Science for Seekers, and today I want to talk to you about the Goldilocks Enigma. The Goldilocks Enigma was a book written in 2007 by a physicist named Paul Davies about a question that physicists have been wrestling with for decades, which is why is the universe so perfect for life? But let's step back a minute. Actually, let's step back about 13.8 billion years to the Big Bang, when the universe was created. So when the universe came into existence, it came with a bunch of settings, like the speed of light, or like the ratio of the particles of an atom to each other, or like the amount of antimatter versus matter in the universe. And it so happened that these settings were just perfect for life, not too big, not too small, to create life as we know it and conscious humans. So people have been wondering, what is the meaning of this? Is there some bigger meaning? Was the universe created by some intelligent force, or is it just random? So let me give you an example of one of these amazing coincidences. So the mass of a neutron is about 1/10 of 1% heavier than the mass of a proton in an atom. And if it had been just a tiny bit lower, atoms would not exist. They would collapse upon themselves. There would be no molecules, no chemistry, and no people. So it's far too coincidental for this to have happened by chance. So why is this? So some physicists have said, well, it's not really this kind of magical, intelligently designed universe. In fact, there are infinite number of universes, and each of them have all kinds of settings. And the universe that happened to be okay for life is the one that we live in. And that's the universe that we perceive. This is called the anthropic principle. So it's not really magic. It's just that, of course, we're in the universe that we are able to see. But there are a few issues with this multiverse theory. One is that it's not actually a scientific theory, because scientific theories need to be falsifiable. You need, at least in principle, to understand how to say it's not true. And we may never, even in theory, be able to perceive if there are other universes. But a second and bigger problem is, if there is a multiverse, where did that come from? Where did the settings for it come from? Where did the ability to create a multiverse with all of these universes, one of which is okay for life, come from? No one really knows. And maybe science can't quite answer this question. Maybe it's beyond science. Now, to me, all of this implies that there is something more magical or miraculous going on. And it's one of the reasons why I think science can tell us a lot about spirituality and meaning. Science doesn't always lead us down a cold, hard, reductionist path, but sometimes it actually tells us more about the miracle of existence. But I'm interested in what you think. So follow me at scienceforseekers.com or on Twitter at Science for Seekers. Thanks for watching.